Gardening is a rewarding hobby. It provides exercise, fresh air, and delicious food. The simple act of planting a seed and watching it grow can bring immense satisfaction and joy. Plus, it's a great way to spend quality time with family and friends. Whether you have a large garden or a small balcony, you can experience the joy of growing your own plants. Even a tiny space can be transformed into a green oasis with a bit of creativity and effort. This guide will provide easy-to-follow tips for beginner gardeners. From choosing the right plants to understanding soil types, we've got you covered. Let's turn your gardening dreams into reality. Planning is key, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can create a thriving garden. Gardening offers a chance to connect with nature. It's a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It can be therapeutic and incredibly satisfying. The act of nurturing plants can also nurture your soul. Watching tiny seeds sprout into vibrant plants is magical. It's a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature. Don't worry if you're new to gardening. Everyone starts somewhere. With patience and practice, you'll become more confident and skilled. With a little patience and the right knowledge, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The rewards of gardening are endless. From the beauty of blooming flowers to the taste of homegrown vegetables. Having the right tools can make gardening easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the right equipment can make all the difference in your gardening experience. Here are some essential tools for beginners that will help you get started on the right foot. A hand trowel for digging small holes, planting seeds and transplanting seedlings, a garden fork for turning over soil, breaking up clumps and aerating the ground, a watering can or hose with a nozzle for watering plants, ensuring they get the right amount of moisture, and gardening gloves to protect your hands from thorns, rough soil and potential blisters. You can find these tools at your local garden center, where you can also get advice from experienced gardeners. When choosing tools, opt for quality over quantity. High-quality tools will be more durable and efficient. Ergonomic handles will reduce strain on your hands and wrists, making gardening more comfortable and enjoyable. Keep your tools clean and sharp to prevent the spread of diseases and to ensure they work effectively. A well-maintained tool will last for years, proving to be a worthwhile investment. Happy gardening! Choosing the right plants is crucial for success. Start by considering your local climate and soil type. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others prefer shade. Research which plants are best suited for your region. You can find this information online or at your local library. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant varieties. Try growing herbs like basil, rosemary and thyme. They're relatively easy to care for and add flavor to your meals. Tomatoes, lettuce and peppers are also great choices for beginner gardeners. Gardening is a year-round endeavor, with each season requiring specific care. Each phase of the year brings its own set of tasks and challenges, but also unique rewards. From the first signs of spring to the final harvest of autumn, a gardener's work is never truly done. In spring, prepare the soil by removing weeds and adding compost. This is the foundation for a healthy garden, ensuring that your plants have the nutrients they need to thrive. Plant seeds or seedlings after the last frost. Timing is crucial to protect young plants from unexpected cold snaps. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent moisture is key to strong, healthy growth. As summer arrives, fertilize your plants to provide them with essential nutrients. This helps them withstand the heat and continue to grow robustly. Autumn is the time to harvest your bounty. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, from ripe tomatoes to crisp apples. Remove spent plants and prepare your garden for winter. This cleanup helps prevent disease and pests from overwintering. Spread a layer of mulch over the soil to protect it from frost. Mulch also helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. During the winter months, plan for the next gardening season. Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. Order seeds, research new plants, and dream of a bountiful harvest. Winter is the perfect time to gather inspiration and prepare for the vibrant seasons ahead.